Hi and welcome to my channel. It's me, Tina. I am here to show you some of the things that Beebeecraft sent me to try, and they gave me an amount of money that I could spend on their website. And this is open to anybody that has 100 subscribers or more on their YouTube channel. They have a YouTube program, and I will leave their link in my description box if you would like to join that. If you have 100 subscribers or more, you are eligible. So yeah, give them a try, and let me show you a couple of things that I received, and I've die cut them, and I've also made an item with them. So this is not all of the stuff that I'm going to be showing today. It's just some of it. So the first one is this 6-piece die cut set. It is a, what do you call this? A layering set, or yep, now the word is gone. But anyway, there's like a bunch of sizes. So I'll give you the first size, the small one. It is, and I think I wrote it down, it is 1 3/4 by 1 1/4. So that is that size. Then the next one, which is, okay, so that was this one. Then the next one is 2 1/2 by 1 1/2. Then the next size is 2 1/2 by 1 3/4 inch. And the next size is 3 1/4 by 2 1/4. So these are amazing sizes, and if you can see, they all cut out with the stitching, which I love. I love that. This is probably not the greatest paper to show you on, but maybe you can see it on this one better. I love that stitching. It's beautiful. And the next size up is 3 3/4 by 2 1/2. And then the largest one is 4 1/2 by 3. So it is a pretty large die cut for card making or backgrounds or whatever you decide. So this is the card that I made. It has, okay, so it has the largest one. It has this one, and that one. So the smallest two I didn't use for these, but I just layered them in different colors so they show up nicely. And then I popped a sentiment strip on, and then I inked the word friendship, and then I glued some of these flowers on, and I glued gems on them. And I also put this little bow. Very easy to put together. I did this, I layered them all, and then I put it all together, and then I glued it onto this card. So really, really nice card. I inked up the paper here to match, and I put my little stamp on there, and this card is ready to go. And I just put a little ribbon down there just to embellish it a little bit, and it's ready to go. A really cute card, and it looks like, you know, hours of work was spent into it, and it really wasn't. And I found these flowers at Dollar Tree, I believe, and I just gave them a little ink Nouveau glitter pen, and I think that it turned out really cute. And I just love these dies, and I couldn't have done it without them. So thank you, Beebeecraft. So that is my first demonstration there. Then I wanted to show you these. These are the two bolts of lace that I got, and they are 6 inches wide, and I'm not quite sure how much is on here, but there is a lot on here. Like, I will be having a blast with these. So this is like the white, and this is like the cream color, and I used both of them on this little this little envelope, and also the card that, excuse me, that goes inside. Let me just pop these up here. So this is the envelope, and I used the cream color on the inside. Oh, I used both. Yeah, both. So this one is just using the cream colored one. So I glued it onto this this cardstock here, and then I put another cardstock over top, and then I glued this little I gathered the lace and glued those on, and you can see that. And I put the little heart gems on, and I made it into like a little vintage pocket. And with the card, I did the same thing. I glued it, the lace on here so it's textured. And then I just glued this vase on here with the sticker. And then I stamped that out, cheers to you. And I distressed the sides. And this made a beautiful little vintage pocket. Now, you can cut this lace into, you know, whatever size you want. And I think I'm going to be making some little flowers with it. I think that would be really beautiful. And because it's such nice stiff lace. And yeah, so that's what I made for now. Then I have a die cut here, or a hexagon shape that I got, and I didn't get that ready properly, but there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dies in that set. And I believe this one is 4 inches, so I've cut that one out. And this one is 3.5. And the next one is 3. This one is 2.5. This one is 2. This one is 2.5. And this one, where's my one that I cut? I guess I can't find it. But anyway, this I believe is a 1 by 1. So yeah, that's the sizes of those. So I will take this off and move all of this. Then I will show you what I created with them. I made this card by using the 2 smallest ones, and I just die cut them like this and glued them on top of one another, and then I just kind of made a design on my paper, and then I just kind of cut out my own honeycomb. It was just a piece of paper that I just cut in the size of a honeycomb, and I left a little opening there for the bees. And this was just so easy to put together, and I love the stitching. It is so cute. I just love that. And it says "So Buzzy with Life." I just thought it turned out really, really cute. I distressed the edges with black. And yeah, I thought that turned out really, really cute. And then I did one more, just in a bit of a different style. This is a bee that I got in an order from AliExpress. But here I did, instead of doing it with the muted colors, I did like the, actually, yeah, I did like the sparkly paper, and then I just put bee, and then in the inside I put happy, happy. And then I just drew these kind of swirls so that it kind of looks like a bee has been buzzing around. And this die cut right here is in my other set that I got that I'll be showing you next time. But I just thought this turned out really cute with these hexagons here. Now you can do it with any size of the hexagons. You could use the bigger ones and kind of just like have a big one in a completely different color, you know, and then just put the little hexagons on. Maybe I'll do that one next time too, just to show you what I mean. But these are the cards that I made with the hexagons, and I just really, really adore them. They cut like butter. They are just so nice to work with. Thank you so much, Beebeecraft. Like I said, go check out their program. I think they're helping out the newbies on YouTube getting their channel started. I think it's really awesome. So thank you to Beebeecraft for doing that. Thank you for sending these items to me. And yeah, stay tuned for more crafting with Beebeecraft items. Thank you for joining me. God bless you all. We'll see you soon. Bye.